Snack size stories here with another clip from the Johnny Depp Heard trial, and this is one of the best clips of the trial so far. Here's the moment where Johnny Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez catches Amber Heard in a straight up lie on cross-examination. And just watch here as Amber Heard realizes there's no way out of this lie she's trying to tell. It's pretty incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and play the clip, and then afterwards we'll talk about it a little bit.
So back to October of 2018. This was before Mr. Depp sued you for defamation, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
He didn't sue you until after the op-ed came out in December of 2018, right?
He sued me in 2019.
And the op-ed came out in December of 2018.
That is correct.
So in October of 2018, you had received your entire $7 million divorce settlement. You would agree with me?
That is correct.
Okay. You said that you had, quote, donated, end quote, your entire divorce settlement to charity, right?
That's correct.
And in fact, your exact words were, quote, $7 million in total was donated to, I split it between the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, end quote, right?
That's correct. I made that statement as soon as I got a divorce and we reached the settlement. That's when I pledged it, right then.
And you say this because you, quote, wanted nothing, end quote.
That is correct.
But you hadn't donated your entire $7 million settlement to charity at that point, had you?
That's incorrect.
Sitting here today, Ms. Heard, you still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the settlement, $7 million to charity, and I intend to fulfill those obligations.
Ms. Heard, that's not my question. Please,
what was
try
your
to answer
question?
my question. Sitting here today, you have not donated the $7 million, donated, not pledged, donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another.
But I don't. Ms. Heard, I don't use it synonymously.
That's how donations are paid.
Ms. Heard, respectfully, that's not my question. As of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the ACLU. Yes or no?
I have not yet.
And as of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, correct?
I have not yet. Johnny sued me.
So as of today, you have not donated, paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity, right?
I have not been able to fulfill those obligations yet.
After watching that, wow, it's just unbelievable. What a tense and incredible moment in the trial. I mean, she just was caught in a lie, just a straight up lie. She even tried to talk her way out of it there, saying like she would change her answer, was not using the same words as the question. She was asked, did you donate the money? And she says, yes, I pledged it. It's just, there was no way out for her there at that point. It was amazing to see Camille Vasquez sticking to her guns with the questioning. She did not back down at all. She knew the truth. She knew what the truth was. She knew Amber was lying. She just had to extract it from her. I'm going to go back through and play the moment here where it looks like Amber realizes she really messed up. I mean, look at the little face she made right here at this question. It's like, what have you been doing? Like, she's just, I don't know if she's trying to stall. She's trying to act confused, hoping that they'll just move on, hoping they'll just ask a new question and take her answer. Like, it's just embarrassing. She's just straight up lying, and her whole behavior this entire trial has just been bizarre. I mean, this little sequence of questioning accomplished a lot of stuff here. One, it exposed Amber Heard as being unreliable, an unreliable witness. She's untrustworthy. She lied on the stand. She lied in the past about the donation. She's getting exposed for it here. It also shows that it's not true when she said that she wants nothing from all of this. It definitely makes it seem like she wants money. She's out to get something, which weakens or strengthens Johnny Depp's defamation claim, and it weakens Amber Heard's defense. Her defense was largely built around that narrative that she's not trying to seek anything, she doesn't want anything, she's not trying to gain anything, she's trying to spread awareness for domestic abuse, domestic violence, but clearly here she's been holding on to millions of dollars she claimed she had no interest in, so that definitely makes her case a lot weaker, her defense case. It also strengthens Johnny Depp's case as well, because we've heard his witnesses claim that the donations were never made. That's part of their narrative, is that she didn't make the donations. And that's just one part of the big scheme where she's trying to do this for her own personal gain. She has an alternative agenda she's trying to fulfill. So that catching her in that lie bolsters the credibility of Johnny Depp's witnesses, and in turn the strength of his case, making it more likely that they're going to win this case. If you were on the jury, what do you think? If you were sitting there and heard this, you think this is the point of no return for Amber? Would this change you instantly to a guilty verdict against Amber, catching her in this lie? I mean, how do you even come back from that? I'm interested to hear what you guys think about this moment in the trial. How big, how important do you think it was? I think it's a pretty big moment.